Madonna, getting what you wanna. Can't keep up cause you really like to party. That's true, and it's a lose-lose when I'm fucking with you. So you ask why I wanna act like Leo. If you don't love me, please let me know.
Happy birthday! That was the longest A ever. Wait, here we go. Y'all, welcome back to a weekend vlog. Clearly, I'm about to get in the shower. I am out of town celebrating my friend and line sister's birthday. We are in Houston, Texas. So it's Friday. So far, we've had brunch. We're getting dressed. We're gonna go out. So I'm gonna take y'all along with us. Hopefully, I get a good amount of footage. But I'm around a lot of people whom I'm meeting for the first time and I don't know. So you know, I'm trying to get some footage of me in the vlog and not get everybody else in there. But y'all saw a little bit of clips. You know, birthday celebration. That's what's going on. It's getting steamy in here. About to take a shower. So come along with me. Oh, eyebrows look good. We're finally heading out. Where are we going? I don't know where we're going. I just got dressed. Yeah, let me take this jacket off because it's definitely not. He said hello, Najwa. He was speaking to you. You know how.
First time in a long time.
We gotta take a picture in front of that, y'all.
When y'all are ready, come to the front because we're gonna play candy trivia. Alright, this one's a little hard. What candy is named after a family's horse?
Horse.
A family's horse. This candy bar, was actually named after a family's horse. Hershey, yes.
Ah. Can we sit on the swing? Not me hitting the wall. Y'all, we the oldest people in here. It's gummy bears. Oh, it's music. This is just so crazy to me. Gummy bears. Oh, they're actually soft still. Somebody done plucked them off.
Trust who? Watch my back even when I'm in the pool. Oh, trust who? Doing my thing when I'm down to come clean. I like you. I wanna make you feel the weight off. So that's true.
Oh, wow. I like this one. Title, Mood. Like who like has the creative mind? That was at 82. Uh-huh. Chanel. What you say, Freedom? Oh, Naja. There's a crown and a throne.
Say less. Say less.
It's your fucking birthday.
Tell me it can't be that crazy. Even if it is that crazy, baby, I'll take it. I'll hold you. I know you're not an angel. Not you. Oh, save it. Don't waste your time. 'Cause I'm wavy and I'm saying things that I don't mean, that I don't mean, that I don't want to against me. 'Cause there's no way. I'm sorry. And you're trying. Saying things exactly.
Like dolls. So this thing is made of candy? Wow. Under the sea. Ooh, this is giving. It's giving. It's giving. Ooh, say that Laffy Taffy. That Laffy Taffy girl, say that Laffy Taffy. That Laffy Taffy girl, say that. Only take a few. My purse is overflowing. What is this? Can we move the ball? Can you pick up the ball? Can you pick up the big balls? Can y'all handle the big balls? Oh. It got in my mouth too. Hey, oh Twizzlers, I love Twizzlers. I love Twizzlers. I love Twizzlers. Oh.
For each one of them.
You got to pull up your QR code. I'm sorry.
You ready? Get up, get up, get up. Come on, we got 7 seconds.
This at the next party I have. I need the leaf blowers and the confetti. Button do. Yeah. Yes. Even though I still got some in my hair. Y'all, we are childish and I love it. We are childish and I love it. Alright, I'm going. I'm gonna be the first one. Woo! Oh God, what is this? Ah! I can't see anything. I made it through. They scared. Yeah, you made it, Danielle.
They got t-shirts here.
Ooh, I got you a little flick. Shelly. Marshmallow pit. We definitely gonna have to take a shower after this. This is where I'm at. That was so fun. Literally felt like a kid in a candy store.
I love that. You want to get on this pole now? So what?
You gonna get on that pole?
I'm supposed to be online for the first time in a long time.
Excuse me. Oh my God. Excuse her. Hurry up. Go ahead. Repeat, turn the music down. Oh my God. He is not turning the music down. Okay. That rope you? Okay, so I just would like to thank you guys for coming, and I really appreciate all of you for coming and celebrating me. I really do feel loved, especially being that I asked at the last minute, and not many can make it happen, but you bitches, you did. That's the third speech today. You bitches, you made it happen. Woo, we made it! Woo! My bitches are better than yours any day. Okay? They better than yours any day. They better than yours any day. They better than any day. Nada.
We don't know if it's good, but it'll get you drunk.
Okay. Sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Why they so fun? To the red you say.
Why they so? Oh yay!
Full of shit.
Ooh, this is nasty,
Y'all
bro.
ready to get fucked up today?
Yeah, I'm already there. I'm there. I'm saucy. I'm buzzy. That's all I like to say. What are we shouting to? Actually, I got that from my husband's best friend's mom, who's like 60. So it's a 60-year-old term. Buzzy. When she start drinking, she be buzzy. Shout out to Miss Joan. I'm old and I'm bringing.
All right.
And I
So
accept
let's
it.
just take this shot. Boom.
Yes.
Cheers to Texas. Happy birthday. Make it a moment. Boo boo.
Yep.
Cheers.
That shit is nasty. Like, I don't know, but I just only thing I can use to describe it.
To the salon.
To the salon! Giving celebrity! Auntie is giving celebrity. Ooh! Can I get your autograph, her? Can I get your autograph, please? Please? Autograph! Oh my god! Can I get your autograph?
First time in a long time. First time in a long time.
Hey y'all, it's Saturday, still in Texas. About to work out with some of the girls in the house. Got my Target fit on. This is from the Black History collection. Woman owned, black owned. Ooh, right. Here's my OOTD. It's signed Blake top, Old Navy jean jacket. Hers is a New Day from Target. Signed Blake pants. This is drop 2, drop 3. Some thrifted mules, slingbacks. Okay. And then we have a red lip. The lip bar. Glasses from Amazon, my husband. Earrings, Hoop Mob. X signed Blake. It's a signed Blake fit at this point. This is a signed Blake stand account.
Trust who? Trust me and I can set you free. If your man came straight to me, you a real MVP. Ride dirty like Pepsi. You a real 10-speed freak. You was everything to me. You was
wall too. I thought it was playing with my eyes. VIP member, I just skip it every month until I want something. Now this, I live in this, okay? I have 2 of them. They are so comfortable. And they're leggings. I'm obsessed. These leggings are amazing.
They are.
I love them. They are so comfortable. And my husband said they make my butt look good, so. I love their bralettes. Like, this is nice.
Yeah, this is cute as fuck.
Oh, these are bra. This bra is cute. I like this wall.
That's the block logo. They look soft though.
It's cute.
I actually need a new bra.
And these mannequins got some booties.
Right.
See, this is a smart way. I would say this is a smart way to hang this so you can actually see the shape. This was worth waiting for, and it didn't even take that long. We are back home. I'm about to get settled in or packed up. The trip is coming to an end. I leave in the morning. And I have a long layover. Not looking forward to that. Long travel day tomorrow. Good morning. Happy Easter. It's Sunday. Happy Resurrection Sunday. He got up. It's go home day. Wearing the same outfit that I wore here. About to call an Uber to come pick me up to go to the airport.